Previously on Florida Coast Detecting.
It is a nickel. Looks kind of green. It's a newer one. I want to say it says 1991, I want to say. But pretty shiny. I believe it says 69 Memorial. I believe it says 1977. No, 1997. That's pretty golden. Oh, wow. You gotta be kidding me. I don't know. I don't. For the size, it doesn't feel like it's heavy enough. Tungsten carbide. I got a drill bit. That's what I got. It says King Will. Tungsten carbide. Maybe that's the person's name. Got a shield penny. Looks like it's already getting twisted over there. I cannot make out the date. I didn't do this one, or turn the cameras on for this one. Thought it was just going to be aluminum. So we got a little junker fake diamond earring. And it rang up like 17. There's a... Ooh, sun might hit me again. 19... It looks like a 6. 1960 something.
Thank you for joining us today, friends. Today is an epic day with lots of finds, especially coins. One of the biggest days we've ever had for coins. You just have to stay tuned and watch the epicness unfold. So without further ado, let's get stuck into the biggest coin finds ever, where our story picks up today at Jensen Beach. But it is a scorcher out here at Jensen Beach. I think I was here for the last video too. It is like 92 degrees, 67% humidity, and it feels like 106. It is miserable. But we're going to try and find some gold.
if the storms don't get us first. It's popping pretty good here. Alright. It's July 13th. It's been about a month since I've been out detecting anything. I think the last place I was out, I was here. And I was just doing a lot of stuff. The weather's been bad sometimes on the weekend, and traveled for the 4th and doing some stuff at home. So now we're back out here. And the weather's not looking too good. See those dark clouds coming in, so I'm trying to bust this one out pretty quickly and hopefully find something. So let's hit this beach, see what we get.
Where do you guys want to go? Pick a side, left, right. Someone say something.
Just a pill pack. Probably a bunch of pull tabs. We'll check it out, yeah. What's that? Shell. Let's see what this one is and see if anything not worthwhile. We'll skip it. Not see anything other than shells. I don't see anything. That's organic. Nothing. I have a feeling it's probably small aluminum or small piece of aluminum foil that someone just decided to bury their trash, is my guess. I saw something shiny. Where'd it go? Yeah. Zipper pull. At least for that one. Broken zipper pull anyway. That one's kind of long. Looks like the rest of that zipper pull. Yeah. Yeah, there's the rest of the zipper pull. That was it. Okay, we have a target here in the 80s, high 80s, mid to high 80s. Most likely a coin. Out of the hole. I think I got it. Yeah. It is a 2022 quarter. I cannot make that one out, but I think it's one of the women's series. Anha Mei Wong. Not too bad. Got a quarter. Fresh drop. Let's do a crop circle and see if we got anything else. That's a bottle cap. Come back to that. There's another bottle cap. There should be a bottle cap. And it is, I already saw it. Seagulls. Alright, I think that other one is here. Another Seagram's Escapes. Another one was over here somewhere. Let's veer a little bit further down. Okay. Here it is. There's a Modelo. Modelo Especial. Alright. I noticed something. I'm not going to dig bottle caps the entire time, but I guess I'll pick this one up, and there it is. Corona Extra, America's favorite. That's the last bottle cap I'm going to pick up. It's pretty cool you're even able to distinguish between the bottle cap and anything else with this machine. One of the good things about having the Manticore. Looking pretty good. Looks like low 60s. I hit something. Be kind of careful in case it's a cell phone. Yeah, I don't think it's a cell phone. Maybe a penny. Okay, so what we got here? It is a penny. Oh, I dropped it. got to be somewhat of a fresh drop. There's no corrosion on it. It is a, oh, that's hard, 2023. It's a Shield. You see, I purposely waited until Sunday to come out here instead of yesterday, because all this past week, Jensen Beach had a fair amount of good traffic. And yesterday it was packed out here right before the storms hit. And I figured, oh, there's bound to be something out there today. And there is. It's just a pull tab right on top of the sand. And go on. Just found this bobber sticking straight up out of the sand. I'm just about to turn around, go back the other way, hit the wet. So far pretty good. Quarter and a penny. And it's pretty good, I think. Definitely worth the trip. That water is so calm out here today. Alright, let's hit the wet before the storms roll in. Yes. Got storms over there to the south, coming up behind us on the west, and I hear the rumbling, and that's to the north. Sorry, that was a jet. I did hear a rumble of a thunder, so it's not too far off. So let's hit the wet and see what we can get out here, and then head home. We'll give it a shot. I'm not too sure about this one. I have a feeling it's aluminum. Oh God, where is this thing at? Okay. Let's let the water do it. What do we have here? Ooh, I like coins. Not sure what that is. Is that a nickel? That is a nickel. That one has been in here for a little while. There's right side up, front face. I can't make out the year, but it's one of the newer ones. Yeah, it's been here for a little bit. And maybe there haven't been too many people out here since I've been out here last. That's not too bad. Quarter, nickel, penny. Just need a dime for the cycle. I wonder if we can get a dime. About halfway through the wet. Oh boy, it is hot out here. Got some people fishing here. Okay, got us a pretty good, well, I wouldn't say pretty good, it's in the 30s. I'm gonna go with aluminum. Okay. And the scoop, yeah, it is a rain squasher. There's daggone drain squashers, I tell you. One of these days, it's going to be a gold ring. One of these days. We are in the dry sand now. Heading back down south towards the car. Nothing else in the wet, just that nickel. It's kind of weird how it didn't register as the usual number for a nickel. It had to have been just like the salt water and maybe a little bit of the corrosion that was on it. That's why you pretty much have to dig everything. Afraid it's going to be an aluminum can, but it's probably most definitely a bottle cap. I hate pulling up full-size aluminum cans. I don't have space for it in my bag. There it is. And it was just indeed a bottle cap. A Corona Light. I guess that'd be America's second favorite. That one hits pretty hard. It's going to be aluminum. Let's see what we got. Aluminum safety seal for who knows? Who knows what that's for? We don't have much further to go, probably 2 more minutes. There's a surface bottle cap. Oop. America's favorite, just popping right out of the scoop. Yeah, Corona Extra. This one's probably aluminum. Ah, I saw it. Another dream smasher. Dream squasher. Right on the surface. Another pull tab. There we go. Helping Jensen Beach beaches stay clean. Penny and a quarter. That's crazy. Never had that happen before. It's literally a coin spill. No one's been out here.
Looks like somebody dropped their beer money. Time to celebrate. There'll be a few less bottle caps on the beach today.
Shield penny. An older nickel. I can't make out the year on that one. Can't even see where the date is at. Here's a regular old quarter. 1988. Wow, that's an old one. Looking good for still being in circulation. Anyway, that's it's pretty good. 31 cents and one scoop. I wish these people's stuff wasn't here to do a crop circle. There's nothing else here. Oh, we got another one. Oh, I have a dime here. And sweet. Could be 4 coins in one hole. Maybe I missed it. Because I don't see anything. Nothing but cinnamon shells. Must have missed it. There it is. It came out. It's a penny. Oh, crusty. Memorial. Cannot make out the date. Corrosion is on it. On the date. It's pretty good though. It's a lot of coins for 1 year home. And I don't think anyone's been out here fairly recently. That one's been sitting there for a while. As well as that nickel from earlier. Another? Yeah, we got ourselves another one. Yeah, I love it. Give me them pennies. I need them pennies. The only thing is, you gotta be able to get it out of the ground. See, they like to run. They like to dig and run and hide from your scoop. And they burrow underneath the ground, like this one's doing. I'm having to chase it. Where are you at? Oh, that is not where it said it was to begin with. But we're out. There we go. Huh? I thought I picked up the cartoon, but I missed here. Just one's the shield. Hit a jackpot here today. Jeez. Okay, this one is not been down too long. 2024 shield. Right down here so you can see it. Yeah, it looks good. It's got to be a first drop. So. Anything else you can get me? I'm taking orders for any more coins. Oh, these clouds are getting worse. And we call it 15 minutes, something like that. Okay. Shazams. That's a lot of coins. It's going to be one of my best hauls in a while. Probably another dream squasher, but we'll check it out. My aim must be off or something. Come on now. Okay. Oh, I saw it. Another one of those daggone dream squashers. Here we go. That was it. Alright, we need to make some haste. Those storms are really close. Had a lot of lightning yesterday. Check out that board. Oh, no one's going to be surfing with that today. There are no waves. Alright, let's hurry and get this thing out of here. There's thunder. We got ourselves a lead sinker. Oh, a little lead sinker. Okay, in that hole right here, I thought it was going to be another dream squasher. Instead, it was a nickel. And it's ringing up as 27, 28. I thought they were more into the 50s, but I guess I just made a mistake. I'm thinking they were higher, when in fact they're lower. But at any rate, it's a fresh drop. It's an older nickel. It is a 1986. That's an age on it. Looks good. It's a fresh drop. Had to have been like probably yesterday is my guess. I would do a crop circle, but there are other people's stuff nearby, and I don't want to look like I'm trampling all over their stuff, so we'll skip it this time. Some dark clouds. Not much longer it's going to be pouring down right here. probably 5 to 10 minutes away from the exit. So we are almost done. But we have had an absolute banger of a time out here today. All those coins. Got some trash too. I thought there was nothing right there.
Thanks for hanging out with us today, friends, and we hope we've earned your subscription today. You know, it's not every day you run into a huge coin spill like that at Jensen Beach. When days like this happens, you just have to take it all in and revel in it, because it doesn't happen often. And next week is a new adventure with new surprises. So I hope you'll come back and visit us again next time. So until then, friends, y'all have a good one.